Customer, I need 3 10 by 12 slabs for a storage, gym, and a music studio.
I could fly.
Me, no problem. We can get this done for you in today's $5,000 for 8 slabs. 10 yards, 3,000 PSI. Concrete, $1,340. Pump, $300. Labor, $600. Concrete finisher, $350. Forums, $220. What's our profit dollar? What do you guys think?